guys, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to throw my wiffle ball slider. So to throw the slider, you need to have whatever like righty or lefty you are, you need to have either, so I'm a lefty, so for a lefty it would be to have the holes facing your left side, and for a righty it would be to have your holes facing the right side. You want to grip it like a four-seam fastball, like this, and then you want to throw it overhand and roll it off your fingers, and so it rips off, and so you get that spin going, and so the air will push it slide across the strike zone. Here's what it looks like, my wiffle ball slider.